Jamaica is taking steps to prevent the banana industry from being adversely affected by a fungal disease which has been wiping out the crop around the world. The disease, which kills some banana plants, has been detected in Latin America for the very first time. Details in this report.
In the past, the banana industry suffered a major blow due to hurricanes and other weather shocks. Things have been going relatively smoothly. But now a fungal disease is wreaking havoc in several parts of the world. A strain of the fungus was detected in Colombia. This strain, which is very difficult to treat, has been spreading around the world for decades. President of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS, Lenworth Fulton, says the disease could pose a threat to the local banana industry.
But if this disease come here, we are in deep trouble, because what it does, it destroys the transport system in the banana by preventing the banana from accessing nutrients from the soil and so on. And so it's a very dangerous disease. I think it is described as T4, a TR4 virus. So we should be very, very careful with this disease, because it would set us back 10 years if it comes here.
The vast majority of bananas exported to the EU and the US are Cavendish varieties. Meanwhile, the JAS president says the plant quarantine division will have to increase surveillance to prevent the spread of the fungal disease to Jamaica.
And plus, JAS should now be sending out a warning, and the banana board, and there's no banana board now because it will be merged with JACRA, I understand. But the All Island Banana Growers Association should now take an active role in educating farmers and the public about the disease, so that we can be more aware. And the importation of banana, if it is happening in this country, or any banana species, should be now restricted so as to prevent any trace of this disease coming to our shores.
Experts say the fungus is not harmful to humans. Nick Dawkins, TVJ News.